कुछ नहीं कर सकता, इनको एजुकेशन नहीं दे सकता, आपने होम स्कूल किया, नाउ यू हैव अ प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस.
You know, actually, in our society, we have become so competitive. You know, we want
Bilkul.
children to score A grades, take positions, take medals. Yeah. So that is why there is no room in this society for people who are not able to run at the same pace as everybody else is doing.
बच्चों का क्या करें सर?
So there are a lot of setups. There are once again there is an apartheid here. There are schools like or places like the Learning Tree.
Yeah.
Roots
which again they are so costly and they are so inaccessible to the larger population of Karachi that it becomes impossible. And then of course we have this C Arts established by Sindh government, Center for Autistic Rehabilitation. I don't know the
but C Art is the name.
But C Arts is the name, and it is free of cost for
But is it
people.
quality education?
Or is it education at all?
It is actually, because I know, because my son's tutor actually worked over there for several years.
Okay.
And it was established by the chief minister, whose own son I've heard that is autistic.
Yeah.
So
it's close to his heart, and which is why he's...
Yeah. But the problem is that there are just so many people who are suffering from this neurodiversity thing. We may call it suffering, but but they are not different.
पहले बच्चे को निकम्मा कहते थे.
Yeah.
In the world, globally, 1 in every 5 people is dyslexic.
Yeah.
In Pakistan, that number doubles. Why? Cousin marriages, community marriages. हम इसको देखते नहीं है. Do you know there is a गांव in Sindh, उसका नाम मुझे अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है, but उसके 2/3 of the people are disabled because there's too much iodine in the water. Right? So ये उनका क्या now there's just going to be cut out of the system because people are do not provide things. We need to provide more information for this.
Exactly. दुनिया ने अंडरस्टैंड किया. उन्होंने बोला जी कि ये बच्चे जो हैं, ये हम जिनको निकम्मे कहते हैं, निकट्टू कहते हैं, वो कहते हैं ना खोटा सिक्का ते निकट्टू पुत्र. वो निकट्टू बच्चे जो होते हैं वो निकट्टू नहीं है, वो निकम्मे नहीं है. वो लर्निंग ज़रा डिफ़िकल्ट है उनके लिए, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. और अगर वो हम टैप इन कर दें तो वी कैन. अनफॉर्चुनेटली पाकिस्तान में इस स्पेस में बात नहीं हो रही. मैं सर आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक टू यू मुर्तज़ा, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू कि अब प्राइड ऑफ, बिकॉज आप लोग सिंध में भी काम करें, अंग्रेजी पे इतना जोर दिया जाता है. एंड डॉक्टर साहब, यू आर अ लिटरेचर प्रोफेसर, सो आपसे भी यही सवाल दोनों से एक्चुअली. अंग्रेजी हमने इतनी